That's a good boy. He's just liking the toys. That's what he wants. Jake. Stay good boy. Oh my goodness, where's the hat?
Behind you.
The hat makes it super special.
His little ears fit right through.
I think I got a costume like this for John once.
How does this just go in?
Yeah.
Yeah, so put the ears through there, and then there's Velcro for underneath the chin, and then you can tie it.
Goodness. We're just gonna try and air this. Oh, that makes the ears tight. That one's fine. Hey, keep. Sit. 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 Good boy, Keith. Good boy. Good boy. It's a good boy. Show yourself off, fancy kid. Oh, come here. You want the toys? Here.
Would you look over here? No.
Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Keith. Good boy. Good boy.
You need like a side view so you can see what he is.
Let's see if we can try.
Well, yeah, he's being a little more chill.
Good boy.
Good job.
Alright,